Alright, so this is gonna be a quick unboxing video of this core equipment 6-person tent. It's a Blockout technology. I thought this was interesting. It says it blocks a lot of the sunlight and you kind of get a very dark tent inside. I pick up this at Costco for about $99. Thought was a good deal. If you look online, it runs for around $150. So what I'm showing there is the instructions. It's printed in a kind of a fabric material right there, so you never lose it. No paper or things like that. I did assemble this, and I have a video on how to assemble this. Actually, not how to, but it's me and my son assembling it with a drone that actually crashed in the end. Very funny video. So this is the first time I open very few components, to be honest. There are these crossbars that keeps the tent up, and also a smaller one for the front. You have the tent is just one big bag, let's call, and then there is a canopy, a white canopy that goes on top. Very easy to assemble, and I liked a lot this product, so looking forward for my next trip. Thank you guys, and have a great day. Bye.